This is gonna be the Bird Girls part for Mayzies Exit. Horton sits on the last song before intermission. This is gonna be the higher part. I'm gonna hold up fingers for which Bird Girl says what when it's split. This is page 105 of your script. Then carefully, tenderly, gently he crept up the trunk to the nest where the little egg slept. Then Horton the elephant smiled, and he sat and he sat and he sat and he sat. This is the high harmony. He sat all that day and he kept the egg warm, and he sat in that night through a terrible storm.
I'm cold and I'm wet and I'm catching the flu. Oh, Maisie, please hurry. I've got to save you. Oh, Maisie, please hurry. I've got to save you.
I brought you a scarf.
Thank you, Gertrude. Have you heard from Maisie?
She sent a card from Palm Beach.
Palm Beach? Gertrude, what if she never comes back?
Don't worry, she will. Horton, notice anything different?
It's getting colder.
In the winter, the snow and the sleet, and icicles hung from his trunk and his feet. From his trunk and his feet. It's a little funky there. And then the rest is just Horton. Thank you.